Dana.
I'm Ivy. Nice to meet you. Can you please walk me through your outfit today?
Well, bags from Vivienne Westwood.
Yes,
This dress.
Let me get the detailed shot. This is so cute.
Yup. Dress is from Sugar Thrills, and then shoes are from Etsy. Etsy has like really good like homemade shoes and things like that. So, yup.
I thrifted this dress. She actually gave this corset.
Oh, I love that. I can't believe you thrifted the dress. It's so pretty.
And then the socks are from this Korean shop.
Oh my god, I love it. So cute. And she told me that you actually made this Lego rose.
Yeah.
How precious.
She arranged like this whole bouquet for me actually.
Oh,
yeah.
And then you got her this little teddy bear.
Yeah.
Rose. So cute. And then the accessories.
Necklace is from Vivienne Westwood.
Gorgeous.
Westwood.
Oh my
Her
gosh.
mom gave me this.
That is an heirloom. That's beautiful. And what is your fashion inspiration?
I think recently I've been really into that like Lolita style. Like ever since I watched the movie Lolita, so I've been really inspired by Dolores Hayes as well as Lana Del Rey, of course.
Love
yeah.
that. How about for you?
Honestly, I just like wear whatever I feel suits me. So I don't really have a distinct style or anything. I think whatever looks good on me, I'll just wear it.
Yeah.
Do necklace? It's okay. I'll cut this part out of the video. Yeah, put it in the middle. Perfect. And do you have a dream fashion item that you haven't been able to get but you wanted for a long time?
Definitely the Miu Miu ballet satin flats. They're so pretty. Yeah, they're
totally
so
agree.
pretty.
How
yeah.
about you?
They are really pretty. I want to say for Vivienne Westwood since she also passed away. So it's like it's really I really want a piece from her. That's like
Any piece
bigger.
or anyone?
I really like her
particular?
dresses.
Ooh.
Yeah, one of those like knit black dresses. I really like them.
Love that. And if you guys were a designer, what would you love to design first?
Design first, I would say probably like something like super girly, frilly, like a cute ballet. Because I've been really into like that ballet corset.
Yes,
so,
I see
so like
it.
a
I'm
cute
living
ballet
for it.
dress.
So
Yeah.
cute. How about you? What would you love to make first?
Definitely a dress, like more something like that like hugs the figure, but at the end so it's like flowy and then like long. I really like those elegant like evening gown dresses.
I love that. My last question is not fashion related, but if you had the opportunity to clone yourself right now and you suddenly had a twin, would you do it?
Probably not. It'd be so creepy to look at someone that looks exactly like
Fair
me.
enough,
Yeah.
fair enough. How about you?
No, this is
She's my twin. I don't need one.
Thank you so much for your time. Let me get back up looking good. Enjoy the rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
Hi, what are your names?
Hi, I'm Ariel.
You look beautiful. You
Thank
both
you.
look so beautiful. Can you walk me through your outfit today?
Yes. Okay, so I have earmuffs from a guy I got in Times Square. This shirt is actually hers. I thrifted the jeans, Docs, and then this is a Coach purse that I got from my grandma.
I love
And
that.
then I thrifted the army jacket too.
Can I get some details on the accessories? These are so pretty. They
Yes.
match your nails.
I got this from a bookstore back home. This is from Amazon, and then just like rings from different places. I don't really know. I've had them for a while. They kind of rotate.
So did you guys plan to both have Hello Kitty on?
I mean, not at first, but then she had this top, and I was like, let's match.
I love that.
Yeah.
And tell me about your outfit
Okay,
today.
so the earmuffs are thrifted, and so is this lunchbox.
So cute.
The jacket's from the Forever 21's men's section. This top is from Urban, and these pants are my friend's brand, EBC. Go follow her on Instagram. And these shoes are Reebok.
I love the pants. What is your fashion inspiration?
It's like people around me, and like different things like that.
Sorry.
No, you're good.
Maybe I'll just hold it.
Okay. Yeah, just like people around me and like my friends mostly, honestly. I feel like my friends elevate my style because they're always doing new things.
I love that. And how about you? What's your fashion inspiration?
Aaliyah Core on TikTok. I love
Oh my
her.
god, yes.
I'm like obsessed with her.
I was watching this one TikTok that was like getting kicked out of Walmart for
Oh
her
my
Aaliyah Core. I was like, this
yes.
is funny. I'm
Yeah,
sad.
I love her.
Do you guys have a dream fashion item that you've had your eyes on for a while that you haven't been able to get your hands on just yet?
the Naked Wolf boots, the like knee-high ones that are like $400.
Yes,
Those are
my
so
friend wants those
cute.
too. I love them.
Or moon boots.
What color moon boots?
Pink.
Oh, of course. How could I not
Yes.
know?
There was a diesel top that I wanted, but it was really expensive. But it's really cute, so maybe one day soon.
Love that. If you were a fashion designer, what would you love to design first?
Probably tops, if that makes sense. Like I love tops.
I see. And how about for you?
Skirts, mini skirts.
Mini
Yes.
I love a mini
Yes.
skirt.
My last question is not fashion related, but if you had the opportunity to clone yourself right now and you suddenly had a twin, would you do it?
No,
And why is that?
I feel like it would be weird.
That's a valid answer.
Also no, just because I can't handle two of me.
Fair enough. Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Have a good one.
Hi, what's your name?
Hey, my name's Ziv.
Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you.
Can you walk me through your outfit today?
Yeah, I'm wearing a jacket that was made by one of my friends out in California, and it's a one-of-one with a bunch of clips.
Oh my gosh,
a
I
bunch of
love
sewing.
one-of-ones. Yes, let me get the details. Love it, love it.
And it's got a plain checkered black and red hoodie. Not much interesting about that. And then moving to the pants, they have spider webs on them, and they are definitely bell bottoms, I'd say.
Oh yeah, let me check that out. Bell bottoms. Sick, sick. And this is your clothing brand?
Yes. It's not actually a brand yet. I do this just on my own time, kind of freelance. And yeah, I just make one-of-ones. Mostly painting and hand sewing.
So everything you do is one of one.
Yeah.
Amazing.
As of right now, it's all one-of-one, as you can see over here on the rack.
And what's your favorite piece here?
My favorite piece here. I'd probably say this one. Right here. It's the only one with the spiked hood, which I like the most about
that's
it.
fire.
And it has some Japanese lettering. And yeah. It has a lot of stuff also on the sleeves. I like this one the most because it's probably the one I put the most effort into as of right now.
So sick. What would you say your fashion inspiration is?
I'd say my fashion inspiration is just based off originality. I try to appeal to that as much as possible, just coming up with completely original ideas, something that's not really based off anything from the past.
Do you remember the very first thing you ever designed?
The very first thing that I ever designed. It's actually these pants, all three pairs. This one, we have the Doubt pants right here, and they're all bell bottoms.
And then we got these over here.
These are the break pants, as you can see on the front. A bunch of minor details.
What are these pants called again?
Break, that's what I name them. I name all these little things.
Oh, that's sick. I love the pocket. Look at all these details. Yes, get into it. I'm gonna check out some more of your pieces. Yes, let me see.
Yeah, hold on, just a second. Right here is more of a Western themed pants.
Oh my god, this is fire stuff. I want, what size are these?
These are size 32, I'm pretty sure.
Oh my god, these are fire.
Yeah. I was actually out in California and I went to a shop with my friend and we bought this vest that was all Western themed, and that's where the idea for these stemmed from. This is from that vest. It's just a bunch of patchwork. We cut it up.
How much are these pants?
I think like 130, I'd say.
Amazing, I love them. Oh my god. Yes, can I get these actually?
Yeah, of course.
Yes, put them to the side for me, please. I love. I'm gonna check out some more of this.
And the hoodies are more painted than the pants, of course, because there's more space to work on.
Wow.
This one's called Connection.
Oh my goodness. Oh wait, let me get the detail over here. I love your work. Definitely want to see. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Oh my god, look at that dog.
Look at the dogs on the sleeves.
Oh my god. This needs to go in a museum. Oh, holy crap. This is absolutely a work of art. I love.
Thank you so much.
Get me out of this loop. That is punny.
Yeah, this one has repetition on the sides. That's what the whole theme for this one is. On the back, someone fed up with repetition, punching a clock.
Wow. Wow, this really speaks to me actually. Oh my god. I always have to like be doing something different or else like life will become like unbearable for me if like I have to do something like repetitive like that. So like I really resonate with that. That's amazing.
It's one of the coolest things about creating when it appeals to people and they could really like connect
I
with your
love
stuff.
that you actually like have concepts for all of your pieces.
This one's like a radioactive concept, just to keep it simple. As you can see from the symbols on the hoodie, or on the hood.
Wow. And the guy all green over here.
The glowing
And
green.
the, oh my god. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, the details. Oops. And if you could clone yourself right now and you suddenly had a twin, would you do it?
Yeah.
And why is that?
To create more.
So you would
If
put
there's
them to
two of
work.
me, two of the brains put together, you don't know what's gonna happen next.
That's what's up. Thank you so much for your
Thank you.
time.
Thank you for your time.
Hello again.
Peace,
I
peace,
interviewed
peace,
them
peace,
in
peace.
Soho. Gotta check out the other video. Tell them your name again.
My name is Ali Shabazz.
Nice to see you again. I'm loving today's fit.
Thank you.
Walk
Thank
me
you.
through your outfit.
Mashallah.
please.
Today we got on the Denim Tears Levi collab. Then we got the Barriers Converse collab. Then we got a good Denim Tears right here. And you know this is my everyday bag again, Story MFG. And there's a jacket I created myself. Catch the detail, get the detail. Get the... Mashallah. Just my form of expression.
And then we have some details over here too.
Oh, yeah.
The collar.
Oh, this would say the tribe of Shabazz.
Do you have any fashion tips for us?
Express yourself. Be yourself. That's it.
Have you seen any of the 2023 New York Fashion Week looks?
I haven't really gotten to it yet, but I'm definitely going to sit down and do the knowledge on it soon, very soon.
Okay, so you're not really too big on like New York Fashion Week?
I am,
Or as a designer, you don't really seek the inspiration and like I guess the designers around you, I guess it all just comes from within.
I wouldn't say it comes within, I would say it comes from the world, but it's definitely from within. It's definitely from within, but part of it has to come from the world as well.
Absolutely. And check out their answers to the previous questions that I usually ask in the other video. Anything else you'd like to share with us today? Are you working on anything new currently?
I got an album coming out February 18th on all platforms called Kufi Music by Shabazz Ali. Y'all should check that out. If y'all want some real hip hop, Nas, Wu-Tang-ish, check me out.
There you go, you do it all. Thank you so much for your
Peace.
time. Where are your shoes from? Oh my god, Vivian Western. I don't know how I didn't know that. Can you walk me through your outfit today?
Okay, so I'm gonna get a headband here, some clips.
So cute. I want to get the details.
I got literally almost all of this from like a gift, except for this. Where
From
I
what?
got it from, like, a thrift.
Oh, thrifting?
Savers.
Yes, so cute.
Pretty much it.
Even the buttons on your coat match, like the color coordination on point. And can you walk me through your outfit?
Okay, first of all, I have a really expensive camera that I cannot break. I got the Spencer's or yeah, I think it was Spencer's. And my clips are also from like Hot Topic. This is from Spirit Hot. Wait, this is from. Wait, where is it?
Right there.
This?
Yeah.
This is from Spirited Away.
So
from
cute.
Studio Ghibli. This is just a. I don't know where this quartet this is from. This is from Widow. And I have like these. This is just some tights that I cut off. Gloves from a punk store in New York somewhere. And this is also from Widow, and this is also, I think this is from another punk store from somewhere around the city. And lots of thigh garters and stockings and demonias.
Yes, with the demonias.
Oh, I have to tell you about this.
Yes, tell
So
me.
the Hello Kitty is my friend right here. And the background is me because I'm mostly black. She is into Lolita and I'm into like gothic stuff, so I mostly do gothic Lolita and stuff.
Yeah, you moving faker than a TikTok, Brody. You got this new nigga trying to act like you don't know me. I fell off, then I bounced back, big Shanty. This nigga know you, but don't know you my Cody. You hold me, grow me, oh, real slowly. We upgraded, she was me, but I was holy. You sipping lemonade for sure, that's how I know, cause at 4:44, she told me I gotta go, cause I ain't never replaceable. Indeed, my cake ain't up, I mean I'm good, but sorry vacations, my weight ain't up, so I ain't hold yet. My shorty left, I had to hold that, but if I had them M's, she'd have that. If I let you go swag, lesson learned, make millions and straightens it like a perm, but I ain't cheating no more. Understand karmic law for sure, because the last one, a good girl going bad, whatever, get her back, I do whatever, but for now, let's get this chatter, it haunt me. I wonder where shorty at, I wonder what shorty doing, word is won't even wonder who she's screwing, so yeah, you're moving faker than a TikTok, Brody. You got this new nigga trying to act like you don't know me. I fell off, then I bounced back, big Shanty. This nigga know you, but don't know you my Cody. You hold me, grow me, oh, real slowly. We upgraded, she was me, but I was Hobie. We upgraded, she was me, but I was Hobie. We upgraded, she was me, but I was Hobie. Remember, pray for Mozart, you never said the name of the broad. My bag, all word, that shit was kinda odd, but yo, her name's Charmaine, she ain't the type to maintain champagne range. One gold front, two kinky rings in the chain. Her mindset is drugged in and working man is the lane. But who am I to blame? Charmaine the type of chick to take 2 bricks and turn them into chips. Go OT and make a nigga rich. A thorough nigga chick like Terrell Hicks. Shorty on some Keisha and belly shit. She ain't the cream, that's never negligent, never absent, never, nigga. Piece of Keisha though, word up. One.
Hello, what's the deal? Yo, who is this? And who is this? This is Keisha. Why the fuck are you paging my man?
Who, Tommy?
You know who I'm talking about.
Oh, what's up, Keisha? Yo, Tommy tells me everything about you. What's going on?
Cut the bullshit, aight?